Hello everyone, welcome to Solve This Classes. So in this video we have come up with a very interesting topic for you. So in this video we'll be discussing the important courses pertaining to data science that one can pursue in India. So before we dive deep into the realm of the courses pertaining to data science, let's first try and understand what data science is, and subsequently once we get the gist of it, as in why we should consider a career in terms of in the field of data science and business analytics in general, we'll go through all the major options that are available for us as far as these courses are concerned. Okay, so having said that, let's focus on that. So initially let's try and understand what data science actually is. So if you take a look, data science is an interdisciplinary field that uses scientific methods, processes, let me underline the same, interdisciplinary field that uses scientific methods, process, algorithms and systems to extract knowledge and insights from many structured and unstructured data. So if you're looking to understand what structured and unstructured data is, we have already made a video on the same in our channel, so you can search that, so wherein I have explained in details in this regards as well. Data science is related to data mining or data extraction of data, and machine learning and big data as well. So these are the three major components on which data science actually deal with: big data, machine learning and data mining. Okay, so a recent study on hiring trends has revealed that around 97,000 positions related to analytics and data science are currently vacant in India. So yes, that is one of the major reasons why you should consider career in this particular field. A major reason behind it is the dearth of qualified professionals in the field. A number of vacant positions in the field has witnessed an increase up to 45% over the last year. It indicates that there is a talent gap in the industry. Okay, so this is why we should actually consider data science as one of the prime options as far as building career is concerned. So if you are one of those people who like to take on complex challenges and who are very good with numbers and data in general, this is just the right field for you. Okay, so data science and business analytics has created a revolution in the industry and are evolving rapidly. The lack of skilled professionals in this field has provided many institutes across the world a chance to offer courses on data science and business analytics. Those planning a career in data science and analytics have a healthy job outlook, and demand for data scientists continue to grow. And here we present some of the best on analytics and data science courses in the country. So now let's get to the main gist of our video. That is, we'll be discussing all the important courses or the options that are available to us one by one. Okay, so let's take a look. So we'll start off with the very first one, that is a post-graduation diploma in business analytics, or as we would like to call this one, PGDBA. Okay, so we'll try to talk about the same and understand why this course is of utmost importance amongst all the courses, and this is possibly the most popular course among the all as well. So let's take a look. The course is jointly offered by Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur or IIT Kharagpur, Indian Institute of Management Calcutta or IIM Calcutta, and ISI Kolkata or Indian Statistical Institute Kolkata. So just by the affiliation of these colleges or this basically prestigious bodies, you can make out that how prestigious this course is going to be. It's a full-time 2-year comprehensive residential program. During the course, students have to spend 3 semesters in classroom and 1 semester in internship. The program provides a good placement opportunity as well. The students also get an opportunity to interact with professionals from industries through guest lectures and guest talks. Okay, so the entrance process for this is basically we actually have to appear for the PGDBA examination, which usually takes place in the month of February or say January, late January or mid Feb. Okay, so the examination basically takes place in this. Although the number of seats are very low and the fees comes out for this to be around 20 lakh, but the placement also basically clocks at 20 plus lakhs per annum. Okay, so it's a very good option for you. So if you are comprehensively looking to build a career in the field of business analytics and data science, this is the prime option for you. So the pattern is more or less similar to that of CAT. Okay, only the mathematical part is a little bit more complex as compared to CAT. So yeah, that's that procedure regarding the PGDBA course. And just by the affiliation of the colleges listed above, like IIM Calcutta, IIT Kharagpur and ISI Kolkata, you can see how prestigious and how important this particular course is. Okay, so next up we'll move to course number 2. that is certificate program in business analytics offered by International School of Business, Hyderabad. So let's take a look into this. This course is offered by Indian Business School or ISB Hyderabad. It is a 15-month part-time blended program, classroom session and online learning, divided into 3 terms. During the course, classes will be held in the campus once in 2 months for 5-day schedule. Okay, so it's a more or less a part-time kind of schedule, so you won't be all vested out the entire duration of the studies as well. Well-structured course curriculum and covers analytical tools and techniques of business fundamentals, concepts, industry talks to expert is also value added. So the course detail would be around for 15 months. Locations are Hyderabad and Mohali. As you know, both these are ISB campuses. One in Hyderabad, and Hyderabad is the prime main campus, and Mohali is also the second campus of ISB in India. And the fees comes out to be around 7.5 lakhs plus the taxes. Okay, so this is another important program, and just by the association of ISB, which is basically the cream the crop. If we talk about the same, one of the top B schools in the country, they offer these courses. So yes, as you can see, its importance on this account as well. Next up, we have the Business Analytics and Intelligence course. So this course is offered by another top B school of the country, that is Indian Institute of Management Bangalore, or IIM Bangalore as we call it. It's a conducts a 12-month part-time program in Business Analytics and Intelligence to provide in-depth knowledge of business analytics techniques and their applications. The course curriculum is divided into 10 modules and a project. The program offers a case-based teaching approach. The whole case is conducted on campus, and there's a limited number of seats for students outside Bangalore. So basically they prefer people who are primarily residing in Bangalore itself, and there's a limited seat. So if you go over the course duration comes out to be of around 12 months, and the fees would be around 6.5 lakhs plus the additional taxes. So again, associated with IIM Bangalore, the holy trinity of the B schools. So yes, you can just by the name itself, you can basically judge its importance in this regards. Okay, so next up we'll have moved to next course, or the what you call a post-graduation diploma in data science. Okay, so the 11-month program is conducted jointly by Upgrad. So Upgrad, you know, it's a online certification platform, and International Institute of Technology, or IIIT Bangalore. Okay, it's best suited for working professionals. So yes, if you're one of the working professionals who are already engaged in some sort of work in any, be it your technical firm or any business analytics related firm, it's a very good option for you. IIIT faculties and industry experts teach enrolled students during the course. Students are likely to spend 10 hours a week to meet the deadlines and completing courses. So the course fee or course duration would be of 11 months, and fee would be 2.25 lakhs including all the taxes. Okay, so it's another important courses which is jointly provided by IIIT Bangalore and Upgrad. Next up, we have the course post-graduation program in data science and business analytics and big data. This program is provided by nothing but Aegis School of Business. This is an 11-month course jointly offered by Aegis School of Business in association with IBM. Okay, so IBM, you know, it's a very big company, basically a service-based company, which is also famous for building one of the best computers till date. Okay, the supercomputers in general. The course facilitates students to get hands-on exposure to wide range of tools. Collaboration helps students to get an opportunity to work on live data and IBM business analytics and IBM cloud computing at the campus itself. So it's a very good opportunity for all those people who are looking to venture into the field of cloud computing and business analytics. This course is for you. Okay, the duration would be for 11 months, and if we talk about the location and the fees of the same, the location would be in Mumbai, and the fees would be 6.5 lakhs. So yes, another very good bargain as far as data analytics courses are concerned. And last one, what we have is MBA in Data Science and Data Analytics, and this is offered by Symbiosis Center of Information Technology, or as the college as we call it as SCIT. Okay, this is a full-time weekday 2-year program conducted by Symbiosis is Center of Information Technology, or SCIT as we commonly call it. The total number of learning hours during this course is 1500 hours. The program enables students to gain global competencies and meticulously designed to incorporate technology and market trends. Okay, this course also offers guaranteed job placement, so it's a very good option again for students. Of courses is highly engaging in form of guest session, industry connects and alumni meets. The course duration is of 24 months. Location is in Pune because they're in the SCIT campus itself, and the fees would be around 10.8 lakhs. So with that said, I believe we have covered all the 6 important courses as far as data science studying or data science certification courses are concerned. So all of these courses, whether you are eyeing for any one of this, is a very good option for you, and you can choose as per your convenience and your requirements. Okay, whichever course you choose to take up. So hopefully this thing was helpful for you. So with that said, we've come to the end of the video. So if you like the video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to the channel, so we'll keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line as well. So with all that said and done, I'll be signing out. Thank you so much.